Hello. All right, two dimensions. So this problem is right out of the book, Chapter 1, exercise 11, E11. Area is found by multiplying the length of a surface times the width, all right? The length times the width. If a floor measures 6.25 square meters, how many square centimeters does this represent? How many square centimeters are there in 1 square meter? How many square centimeters are there in 1 square meter? Okay, so this is a unique situation, okay? This is a unique question because sometimes in physics questions, they'll mix things up and they'll put in the last question, they'll put in something that makes you think, that gives you a hint. And this is what this is doing. This is giving you a hint because it wants you to think about how many square centimeters are there in 1 square meter. That's easier to solve than what the question actually is. So we're actually going to be solving this backwards. Last question first and then the first question. Okay? So first, let's look over here. 1 meter is actually equal to 100 centimeters. So up here on the board, not sure if you can see it, I actually drew a line that is 1 meter tall, and another one that is 1 meter long. Okay? 1 meter tall, 1 meter long. Okay? And this entire box here is 1 square meter. Okay? And if you didn't know already, I'll show you real quick. Using this meter stick is what I did to draw that. It is actually 100 centimeters. 100 centimeters. So this is 100 centimeters tall, this is 100 centimeters long. When we multiply the 1 meter times the 1 meter, we get 1 square meter. Okay, but when we multiply 100 centimeters times the 100 centimeters, a neat math trick you can do is you can just multiply the 1 times the 1 and add up the number of zeros you're multiplying together. Okay? So that's what we did right here. So we had 1, 2, 3, 4 zeros all together when we're multiplying, and we end with 10,000 centimeters squared. And that is 10,000 square centimeters to 1 square meter. Okay? 10,000 square centimeters to 1 square meter. Okay, so let's look at this from an outside standpoint and say, how many spots do we have to bring the decimal place over to equal this square centimeter? So if we were right here, originally, for the 1 square meter, we would say we brought the decimal place over 1, 2, 3, 4 spots. 4 spots. We brought the decimal place over. Okay, 4 zeros. Hey, is that a coincidence? Nope, it's not. All right, so moving on. Our question is 6.25 square meters. All right, 6.25 square meters. Does that mean we just bring the decimal place over 4 spots? Exactly. Very good. That just means that we just have to bring the decimal place over 1, 2, 3, 4, and we end up having 62,500 square centimeters for our 6.25 square meter measurement for the floor. All right? For the floor. Okay? And again, this block here is 1 square meter. Thank you very much, and look forward to the next video. Have a good day.